going to my football practice. Yes, I want to join. What? I'm enrolled. Thank you, Mommy! I love you so much!
Morning! Ito kami sa Landers. I wasn't able to vlog.
Can we get nuggets?
Ayun.
Pasila.
Sige, para mabilis lutuin. Hey. You eat it after. So far, this is what we got. Good morning. Say good morning. What do you have there? Okay, you can have that.
No. That's mine.
Oh yeah, you can have it. Nalo mo na sa mga pang ano. Ayan. Bakit di natin naisip mag-vlog? Kasi nakapajama pa ako. Nagtatawanan pa ako ni Philip kanina. Sabi niya kasi, ba't nakapajama ka? I like it. And then, ooh, my fave. Meron kaya silang dark chocolate. Dapat dito ko dito yung dark chocolate nila. Sea salt, chocolate malted. Oh no, wala silang dark chocolate. Next time. Okay, come on. This is nice. Hello! I'm gonna get in the shower, pero before that, I'll just do a quick haul since hindi tayo nakapag-vlog sa grocery. So, we went to Landers, sa butter. Bumili rin kami ng tocino and hotdog. Matagal na kami na tayo hindi na ganyan, no? And then, request ni Lily, pang snack niya daw pag nag-football siya. Sabi, Daddy said naman you don't need snacks.
Okay,
Eat snacks after. So you just bring your water. We've got some corn dog. And then we also got some chicken nuggets. I also got some sausage, Italian garlic, Brazilian beef na ganito. Sirloin ba? Stroganoff, I mean. And some salmon. So this is Nigerian ata. Ay, hindi pala. Mixed salmon fillet. And then, dumaan din kami kanina ng Dali. Kasi may mga meat doon na gustong-gusto ko. Ang dating binibili ko lang doon is yung beef cube. Kasi ang gusto ko yung beef na medyo mataba. Hindi siya sobrang taba, pero mataba. So, gusto ko yan sa nilaga. And then, I have a friend that says masarap din yung kanilang liempo. Patanggal yung plastic na nagamit ko. So, nag-try ako ng liempo nila. Eh, masarap talaga siya. So, I went there. Humanap ako ng liempo para ipapadala ko sana kay mama. Kaya lang, ang liempo na lang nila, isa na lang. So, I got Kasim also. Yung brand nila doon is All Time. And then, we also got some ground beef. Na-try ko na ito yung ground beef nila to. Masarap siya for making burgers. Ganyan. And then, there's more. We got some liempo. Ayun, tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo yung ano, yung layer ng fat at saka ng meat. Sakto lang. Hindi siya masyadong mataba. Hindi siya masyadong puro laman. So, that's nice. And more ground beef. Kasi request ni Mama, giniling. Para daw, ano, pang, yung pang sahog na lang. Ay, yan ba yung sahog na tinatawag? Yung sahog, di ba yung meat? So, may pang sahog na siya. Yung iba na lang. Hindi ko alam tawag. Nakapag-try din kami na ng kanilang galunggong. So, bumili din ako for Mama. Sarap din yung galunggong nila. I also got beef cubes and salmon belly. Ayan, masarap din yung salmon belly na pang miso. Also got some bread. And for snacks, for Sassy, Tommy, sa akin naman Tiatos, I love you, Clover Bits na chicken, Sassy na taco, barbecue. Ay, bumili din pala kami ng ng paper kitchen towel. Kasi mura lang siya, 38 lang ata. Ito sa Landers ulit tayo. Cheetos. I've got popcorn na Smart Food. First time ko na try ito sa Dubai. And it's so good. Para siyang, ayun, cheddar. I also got some pasta na fusilli. We got some Royal and Coke Zero. And then, for our burgers, ang laki naman ito. Ganda ba talaga kalaki ng bini ko? Lily got some kalipo. Paborito nila itong mag-ama. Na para siyang popsicle, mini popsicles. Ganyan siya. And then, put it in the freezer because it's melted. For burger patty, I got some burger slices na cheese. Kathy Ulay for my coffee. I want to try to make this as well. Creamy mushroom truffle all-in-one pasta and sauce kit. Ayan siya. So, meron na siyang kasamang truffle oil, shirataki sliced mushrooms, royal creamy truffle sauce, and fusilli. So, talagang kompleto na siya. So, excited to try. And then, may cereal pa naman yung kids, pero meron pa ba? Konti. Pero bumili ako nito. Kasi ang cute, meron siyang kasamang headband na ear ni Coco. Ayan. I also got some Spam. I also got corned beef, request ni Auntie. And pancit canton. Ayan. I also got some Japanese mayo kasi meron tayong salmon na binili. And then, for the pasta na binili ko, binili ako ng Classico tomato and basil. Binibili ko ito dati sa Dubai kasi pag niluto ko ng pasta, ayaw din ni Aiden at the time ng mga beef. So, gagawin ko pasta. Tapos, pag pinakulo ko na siya, dinrain ko na. Pabalik ko siya sa pan. Ilagyan ko siya ng konting sauce. And then, some grated cheese. Tapos, kinakain ni Aiden yun. So, nung nakita ko siya, naalala ko. So, isip ko, kakainin pa rin kaya niya. So, hopefully, yes. Ayan. Pang mabilisan na food. We also got parchment paper para sa burger. Also got some Sensodyne toothpaste. Toothpaste ni AA. Detergent soap. Detergent. We also got Color Safe. And bleach. Ayan. And we've got itong pang spray, pang linis na Mr. Muscle All-Purpose Cleaner. We got Coke Zero na mini. Kasi akala namin walang yung litro. Ito, Green Cross Antibacterial Hand Soap. We have this sa banyo. And sabi ko, maganda rin siya nasa sink para hindi yung dishwashing liquid yung ginagamit ng panghugas ng kamay. And then, I also got mayo. Ayan. Na Heinz. Puro mayo yung binili ko today. And we've got some milk para sa kanilang cereal. So, yun lang po. That's all we got. Actually, madami na rin siya eh. And that's it! I'm gonna get in the shower na. Hayaan ko muna mag-vlog yung baby ko. Kasi yung baby ko dyan, pinastop ko. Kasi nag-vlog ako. Nag-vlog siya. Ay, pag nakikita niya ako nag-vlog, kasabayan niya ako na nag-vlog din siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, we have to take turns kasi yung boses magkakasabay. So, it's your turn na. Vlog. Okay. Alright.
Hooray! It's my turn!
May kanyang camera. Alright.
I wanna go!
We need to change.
Wait! Oh! I'm not gonna do it!
Wait, anak. Hey, what you doing?
I'm
wanna wear?
I wanna wear a tutu.
Good afternoon! Ayan, we are heading to Willis football practice. We're running late. Well, not really, pero gusto ko sana. I wanted to be there 15 minutes before training so we can sit down and that water find the seat. But dumating si Mama, si Tita, tsaka si Ate Sefi. So we all got stuck a little bit, pero ayan.
Oh no, I forgot the
We're back on track.
Hi guys. Right now we're going to my football practice and we're late. I want to play. Aiden, what did you say? Football. And we're late. And I'm starting to get a little bit nervous because we're late.
We're not late.
Oh, we're not late. So I'm happy again. I'm super excited. I'll show you the football field later. Wait. No, I'm gonna show you it now. I think those are the coaches. So, I'm so excited. Hi guys! Now we're almost there.
I'm so excited for you too. Aiden can't play football?
No! They don't like to play football.
You don't want to play football? We can sit down together. Come, sit down.
Walk into the club, step right out, say no, no. Tonight I'm gonna spend by myself, my solo. Remind myself to love myself. Nobody else gonna hold me down, down. Gave it all away, been on high speed, go, go. Tonight I'm needing me and a pre-roll to go. Cause I just need to feel the love. Yeah, when I wanna feel the love, I give it to myself. I can't get it from nobody else. I'm getting it this time, drive back home. I know it, I'm getting it my way. It's gotta start with me. I'm storing all my energy. I provide my own light, slow back down. I left all my hurries on the highway. Turning off my brain, burning Palo Santo. Time to simmer down, keep it on the down low. Remind myself to love myself. Not in with the baddest in town. Look into the mirror, shoot a wink, say oh yeah. I'm in love with me and I don't care who knows that. I just need to feel the love. Yeah, when I wanna feel the love, I give it to myself. I can't get it from nobody else. Yeah, I'm getting it this time, drive back home. I know it, I'm getting it my way. It's gotta start with me. I've been storing all my energy. I provide my own light, slow back down. I left all my hurries on the highway. Oh, I give it to myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walk into the club, step right out, say no, no. Tonight I'm gonna spend by myself, my solo. Remind myself to love myself. Nobody else gonna hold me down, down. Gave it all away, been on high speed, go, go. Tonight I'm needing me and a pre-roll to go. Cause I just need to feel the love. Yeah, when I wanna feel the love, I give it to myself. I can't get it from nobody else. I'm getting it this time, drive back home. I know it, I'm getting it my way. It's gotta start with me. I've been storing all my energy. I provide my own light, slow back down. I left all my hurries on the highway. Turning off my brain, burning Palo Santo. Time to simmer down, keep it on the down low. Remind myself to love myself. Not in with the baddest in town. Look into the mirror, shoot a wink, say oh yeah, I'm in love with me, and I don't care who knows that I just need to feel the love. Yeah, when I wanna feel the love, I give it to myself. I can't get it from nobody else. I'm getting it this time, drive back home. I'm mixing it out, yeah. It's gotta start with me. I've been storing all my energy. I provide my own life, slow back down. I left all my worries on the highway. Oh,
Lily,
Yes?
someone wants to say hi to you.
Hi, Daddy.
Did you enjoy it?
Tomorrow. What did I say?
Oh, here, talk to your daddy now.
What did I say? Yes, I want to join.
Ah, trial pa lang yun.
What? I'm enrolled? Thank you, Mommy! I love you so much! What? No, I want to play more. What's that like? What do you mean?
Wow! Coach Daddy! Coach McQueen!
Okay. Well, they didn't give me the uniform yet. Here. Okay, got it.
Meron siya picture. Picture din sila ni Marco. Kasama yung
Yeah, as
sapatos.
soon as he got there, he's like, "Hello, I'm the coach," and he's like, "Which one is Marco?" Okay, I mean, like, which one is Castro? And Marco's like, "Me?" And he's like, he just passed the uniform to him. I'm so excited for mine. What? What? I will sleep tonight. Why? Why will I be? And the key.
Did you cry those?
No. I was
Wow!
having too much fun. I didn't cry, Daddy. And Daddy, I fell down a couple of times, but I was like fell down. I'm okay. Yeah, I didn't feel anything. Nothing hurt my legs.
Dal-dal ng batang to. Dal-dal nga. Ganyan siya pag super happy. Yun yung hinahanap kong yung enjoyment niya na sabi ko parang nawala yung spark na ganyan. So, lucky to have that back. Next, Ate Seppi. Kailangan natin malabas ang spark ni Ate Seppi.
Yes.
Her home. So, tapos na yung football practice ni Lily. Wow, pare naman.
Mommy, can you hold this? I
Yes,
need to
Baba.
get my shoes and my shin.
Okay. Daddy, what are the things that she should do with her stuff? With her uniform, with her shoes, you have to responsibility, like put it away, take your socks off. Some things that she needs to do every time she comes home. Hold it.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.